Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. Today in this video we will see how to calculate drug dose from in vitro to animal studies. So it is preclinical dose calculation. In introduction we will see many researchers obtain effective drug concentration in cell culture studies, means in vitro studies, but when they move to animal experiments, the bigger question is how to convert that concentration into an animal dose. In this video, I will explain a simple method to calculate drug dose and dose volume for animal studies. So, we will see. First of all, you have to identify effective in vitro concentration. In that, you have seen terms like IC₅₀, EC₅₀, and effective concentration. It is generally in micromolar or microgram per ml. In vitro experiment, we are using concentrations such as micromolar, millimolar, microgram per ml. These values must be converted before animal testing. So for that we have conversion formula. So conversion to mass dose, we have formula dose mg per liter equal to concentration micromole into molecular weight gram per mole divided by 1000, used to convert molar concentration into mg per liter. So this formula we will use later in this video and we will see the example. So before that we will see some points. Estimate target plasma concentration. Assume in vitro effective concentration equal to target plasma concentration CP. Example, in vitro EC₅₀ is around 10 micromolar equal to, this gives target CP approx 10 micromolar. Adjust for protein binding, stability and cell versus whole body differences. Often multiply by 2 to 10x into safety factor. So we will go ahead here, we will see convert concentration to dose mg per kg. So use pharmacokinetic relations, dose is equal to Cp into volume distribution Vd, whereas Cp is target plasma concentration mg per liter and Vd is volume of distribution, which is liter per kg. If Vd unknown, use default assumption 0.5 to 1 liter per kg, rough estimate. In between you can take 0.7, 0.6, anything. So we will see the example how to calculate. Suppose we have IC₅₀ is 10 micromolar or effective concentration is 10 micromolar, molecular weight is 500 gram per mole. Now we will apply this data into this formula. So dose will be 10 into 500 divided by 1000. It will be 5 ml per liter. So here we got the dose 5 mg per liter. Now we will assume Vd, volume of distribution, that we have seen here. Default assumption 0.5 to 1 liter per kg, rough estimate. So we will take here 0.6. So 0.6 liter per kg we have taken volume of distribution. Dose will be dose equal to 5 into 0.6 equal to 3 mg per kg will be our dosed. Now apply safety factor or scaling factor. Because in vitro is not equal to in vivo, use 3 to 10 scaling factor. Final animal dose range will be for 3 mg per kg These may be 5, 10 or 20 mg per kg. You can select any. So we will now estimate starting animal dose. Researchers apply safety factor 10 to 100. Example, dose range: low dose 1 mg per kg, medium dose is 3 mg per kg. It was our effective dose or IC₅₀ dose. From we have derived this 3 mg per kg from IC₅₀. So it is effective concentration, and we have scaled it up to 3x, means around 3x. So high dose will be 10 mg per kg. Here we have seen the scaling factor 10. So we have scaled here high dose 10 mg per kg. Use pilot study help to determine the correct dose. So we will take the 3 animals in per group and we will do the pilot study, and we will easily from that we will see the effective concentration or the therapeutic dose we will get. Based on body weight, now we will calculate the per animal dose. So dose based on body weight. Formula: drug dose equal to body weight in kg into dose mg per kg. So example, rat weight is 0.2 kg, means 200 grams, and dose is 10 mg per kg. This dose we have chosen here. So we will calculate the drug dose. 0.2 into 10 is equal to 2 mg. So required dose is 2 mg per rat. So preparation of dosing solution. Example, dose is 2 mg per rat. Dosing solution, dosing volume will be 10 ml per kg. It is as per the OECD guidelines, 10 ml per kg for rat dose. So rat is 200 gram, receive 2 ml solution containing 2 mg drugs, because 10 ml per kg. So if your animals is rat is 200 gram, so our dose will be 2 ml around. So rat is 200 gram, receive 2 ml solution containing 2 mg drug. From this video, how we can prepare the dilution, dose volume and its calculation. So dose range in animals is typical study is control group, low dose, medium dose, high dose, used to observe pharmacological effect. So accordingly we have to decide the dose range. We will calculate the doses for all the concentration. So now we will see calculate drug volume. So formula is volume per ml equal to dose mg per kg into body weight per kg divided by concentration mg per ml. Suppose dose is 10 mg per kg, animal weight is 0.2 kg, around 200 gram. So drug stock is 1 mg per ml. So volume will be 10 into 0.2 divided by 1. We have put all these data in this formula, equal to 2 ml, means 2000 microliter. So practical guidelines for rodents: mouse 20 to 30 gram, maximum dose is 0.2 ml oral and IV, and 0.5 ml IP. For rat 200 gram, maximum dose is 2 to 3 ml oral, and always keep volume with safe limits. Guidelines is for your study design. If you are using multiple dose 1, 3, 9 mg per kg concentration per group, means group wise. So keep same volume, change concentration, and this preferred in publication journals. So last point is finish point. Accurate dose calculation ensures animal safety, reliable experiment results, and better predictions of human therapeutic doses. So how is the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.